Good morning, welcome back to new session. In this session we are going to discuss algebraic identities and its application. You can see there are different kind of algebraic identities in grade 9 compared to the previous grades. You have learned a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square and so on. So in this session you are going to learn more about these algebraic expressions. Now here use suitable identities to find the following products. So x plus 4 into x plus 10, here you can use x plus a into x plus b algebraic identity. So based on identity here, the x equal to x, a equal to 4 and b equal to 10. If you substitute in the equation, you will get x square plus 14x plus 40. Here also the second example also same. Here x equal to x, a equal to 8 and b equal to minus 10. If you substitute this, you will get x square minus 2x minus 80. You can check down with the remaining two. Here also x equal to 3x, a equal to 4 and b equal to minus 5. You can substitute in that. In the next example, x equal to y, no, it's like a square plus a plus b into a minus b. You can use the identity here, a square minus b square. You will get y power 4 minus 9 by 4. So 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. So here it is also x square, x plus a into x plus b. So x equal to 3x, a equal to 4 and b equal to minus 5. So you can see whatever the work it is assigned, have given here the solutions also. You can see y power 4 minus 9 by 4. So you can use the suitable identities to do the remaining problems there. So evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. So 103 into 107 without multiplying, how we can do? You can take the identities as x plus a into x plus b, same identity. You can take 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7. Here x equal to 100, a equal to 3 and b equal to 7. Without doing any actual multiplication, you can get the value of 103 into 107 as 11,021. Similarly 95 into 96 also you can take as 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4, x equal to 100, a equal to minus 5, b equal to minus 4. So after simplifying, you will get 9,120. Similarly, next problem you can see 104 into 96. Here you can write as 100 plus 4 and 100 minus 4. Here you can use the identity a plus b into a minus b, which equal to a square minus b square. So directly you can do a equal to 100, b equal to 4, which is nothing but 100 square minus 4 square. You will get 10,000 minus 16, which equal to 9,984. So 104 into 96. Same problem. So factorize the following using appropriate identities. You can see 9x square plus 6xy plus y square can be written as 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into y plus y square. It is like x square plus 2xy plus y square, which equal to x plus y whole square. So here x represents 3x and y represents y. So 9x square plus 6xy plus y square can be written as 3x plus y whole square, or as the factors 3x plus y into 3x plus y. Similarly, you can see 4y square minus 4y plus 1. Here 2y whole square minus 2 into 2y into 1 plus 1 square. Here we are getting as x square minus 2xy plus y square, which equal to x minus y whole square. So y equal to x equal to 2y, and here in this example y represents 1. So 2y minus 1 whole square. X square minus y square by 100. So x square can be written as x square, y square by 100 can be written as y minus 10 whole square. It is also looking like identity x square minus y square. In place of x, it represents x only, y represents y by 10. So you can write as x minus y by 10 and x plus y by 10. So expand. Now the third question, it was factorizing. Now we should expand this using the identities. Here you can see first problem, x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. So this identity, what identity we are going to use is x plus y plus z whole square, which equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So here x equal to x, y represents 2y, z represents 4z. Simply you are going to substitute as it is, like in place of x, x, and after substituting you will get the expansion form. Similarly, 2x minus y plus z whole square. Here in place of x is 2x, y represents minus y, z represents z here. So after substituting you will get the expand form using the identity x plus y plus z whole square. Now minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z square, this also you can try, and 3a minus 7b minus c whole square also you can try. See, you have seen here x equal to minus 2x, y equal to 3y, and z equal to 2z, and substitute the same. And in the next one, x equal to 3a, y equal to minus 7b, and z equal to minus c, you are going to substitute in the identity x plus y plus z whole square. So minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square, that also here x equal to represents minus 2x, y represents 5y, and z represents minus 3z. And the next one, 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square, x represents minus 1 by 4a, and y represents minus 1 by 2b, and z represents 1. After simplifying, we get 1 by 16a square plus 1 by 4b square plus 1 minus 1 by 4ab minus b plus 1 by 2a. It is factorization. Factorization means again you are going to convert into factors. The previous example we have expansion, here is factorization, same identity, x plus y plus z whole square. So we are making a format whatever given in a form of RHS of x plus y plus z whole square. That is in a form of x square y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So the given can be written 2x whole square plus 3y whole square plus minus 4z whole square, because you can see wherever z content is there you can see the negative sign there. So that is the reason minus 4z whole square also gives plus 16z square. So plus 2 into 2x into 3y plus 2 into 3y into minus 4z plus 2 into minus 4z into 2x. You can observe that x represents 2x, y represents 3y, and z represents minus 4z. So you can write as 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square. So here we are using x plus y whole cube identity. We are going to expand. In the first example you can see in place of x you can substitute 2x, in place of y you can substitute 1. So based on the identity x plus y whole cube equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Similarly, if it is x minus y whole cube, you are going to use x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So here you can see example x minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. So x equal to x only here, y equal to minus 2 by 3 y. So after substituting you will get x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus 2x square y plus 4 by 3 x y square. So evaluate the following using suitable identities. 99 cube. So instead of using 99 into 99 to 99, we are taking 100 minus 1 whole cube. 100 minus 1 whole cube identity we are using x minus y whole cube. In place of x you are going to substitute 100. In place of y you are going to substitute 1. Without actual multiplying, if you solve you will get 9,70,299. Similarly you can go with 102 whole cube and 998 whole cube. 100 plus 2 and 1000 minus 2. So here one more identity we are using, same identity x plus y whole cube, but it is factorization. Before it was a product, you are going to find out the expand form. Here you are going to find the factorization. 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square we are going to write as an RHS. Like 8a cube can be written as 2a whole cube plus b cube plus 12a square b, 3 into, like we are going to write 3x square y. So 3 into, here x we have considered as 2a. So 3 into 2a square b plus 3 into 2a b square. So we are going to write according to identity x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So based on that, if you write, if it is all the terms are suitable, it can be factorized as 2a plus b whole cube as in place of x you can take 2a, in place of y you can write b. So it can be written as 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. Similarly, the second one you can see, it can be utilized x plus y whole cube. Thank you students, that's all for today. Have a great day.